Alright, alright now. That's better. Now let me in Cup. Anyway. Cuphead! I'll revive you. The elder started without us, come on!
Oh, thanks, pal. What's that?
You eat me alive! Okay, anyway, now let me in. Now let me.
I got this. Sit! The top hours bucket.
Okay, that's just right. Okay, now that me and Cuphead have finally gotten our firework bullets, we have to go to the front yard, past that freaking huge dog that's gonna eat me in one big bite.
One big bite?
Cup food. Anyway, yeah, we have to get to the front yard and do fireworks.
Okay.
Alright, I don't really feel like it, but whatever. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Nose! You see, guys? Cool, right?
Awesome.
What? Ooh. I was actually looking. Alright, Cuphead, you shoot a firework bullet. That was good. Got it. My turn! Yeah! Take that. Could you do better, Cuphead? Yeah, that was pretty good. That was pretty good.
Oh yeah, I could do much better.
Go ahead.
Oh my God.
Beat that bug, man.
I will. Hey, good 4th of July show, am I right? Losers. Go!
Oh, it's my turn.
So much fire. Ooh! Good job. Now prepare for real fireworks. I bet you $50, Jay, that Mugman will do better fireworks.
No, I'll bet you $100.
That Mugman will do better fireworks?
No, that Cuphead.
Alright, so it's my turn. Let's do this. You gonna do something?
Okay, Kai, now you give me the $50.
Whoa, what? Yeah, as if Cuphead could do better. Go ahead, Cuphead. Do better than Mugman.
Okay.
Okay, but Mugman, my buddy Mugman could do better, right?
Well, at least Mugman didn't try. So that means give me my $50. You get $0.
Mugman more like Mugpan.
No. That's me doing it. Mugman's faking.
Ow! Get wrecked! Get wrecked! What'd I miss? You farted fireworks. You big nasty boy. Come on. I'm going home.
Yeah, me too.